Hello everybody. I wanted to show you the new suitcase. I made an English tutorial. Sorry for my bad accent. As you probably don't know yet, I'm not English, I'm French. The suitcase is a 20... Oh, hold on, where's my ruler? 25 or a bit more by 18 and 9, which is in inches. Hold on, inches, pretty much 10 by 7, about something, and 3.5. It's easy to open, easy to close, and it's very easy to do. Trust me, you need only, I don't know, maybe 2 hours and you are done. You need a few brats and then nothing else but thick paper. No cardboard, just thick paper. It's 160 grams, which is 65. I don't know what measurement you use in America, but I know it's something like 65 paper. The scrapbooking paper, the pattern paper, is a bit thicker. It's probably 250 grams or 230 grams. Here we go. This tutorial will be available for free on my YouTube channel. I just ask you, please don't sell the tutorial. Don't sell the suitcase you made with my tutorial. Oh, if you sell one, I will not say anything. You can gift it for free. Don't gift it to 100 people, of course. And please try to remember, I like when you mention your... Fuck! Oops! No, I didn't say. No, I didn't say that. Please don't forget to say my name or to give the link to my YouTube channel when you post something you do using my tutorial or my ideas on any page or website or group. Thank you. Bye bye.